What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm John, the video guy. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to master speed ramping inside Premiere Pro. So if that sounds interesting to you guys, feel free to hit the like button and let's dive right on in. So I'm inside Premiere Pro here, and what I have is a drone clip. And what I'm going to do is just drag this to my timeline. Now the first thing that we have to do here is actually expand the space of our track so we have more space to work with. So what I'm going to do is actually go to the track height and just drag this up so we have more room to work with. Next, what you want to do is actually change what you see here. So right now we have the opacity parameter, but you can actually change whatever's displayed here to keyframe. And to change it, what you want to do is right click on it and go down to show clip keyframes. Then click on time remapping and go over to speed and click on it. This will change the interface to animate the speed parameters of the video clip in your timeline. Now you can do this with scale, all the different positions and motion and effects and stuff. So not only can you do this for speed ramping, but this is great for really any effect. Now what we want to actually speed ramp here is the start and the end. So if we scroll forward in time here, maybe we start the speed ramp here and it speeds up and it ends right around here. So what we're going to do is grab our pen tool by going over here and grabbing the pen tool. The keyboard shortcut is P, and what you'll want to do is create a keyframe for the start and the end of the actual ramp, the speed ramp itself. So I'm going to create a keyframe by clicking on the line here in the clip and then go forward to the end where I want it to end, and then click to make another keyframe. So now we have these two keyframes, and next I'll go back to our selection tool, and what you'll want to do is increase the speed of what's in between. So right now this line right here represents 100% speed, but when we click and we drag up or down, you'll notice that it changes. So when we go down, it goes down in speed, and we drag up, it goes up in speed. And in this case, I'm going to drag up until the little indicator says about 1000%. So really fast here. Once I'm there, I'm going to let go, and you'll notice that the clip itself gets shorter, which makes sense because we're speeding up the clip. And now if we play this back, we'll see that it's 100% speed, and then it speeds up, and then it slows down. But now what we have to do is actually add the ramp, so it's a gradual speed up from 100 to 1000. So to do that here, what I'm going to do is zoom in by clicking and dragging on this bar at the bottom. And then what you'll notice is that on the keyframes themselves, there's the selection tool turns into a little indicator where you can actually drag this out. So what you'll want to do is just click and drag to the right for the first keyframe, and this will actually add a ramp. So, following the line, it goes from 100 and then it speeds up. And same for the end, and this will ramp down back to 100% speed. So now we have a nice ramp. And to make this even smoother, what you can do is click on the empty space in between the two little markers here, and you'll notice here that a handle appears. And what you can do is click and drag, and now you can make this a lot smoother. And same with the end. You can click on the empty space and click and drag on the handle to make a nice smooth ramp. And now if we play this back, we have a nice smooth speed ramp here. Now, not only can you do this going forward in time, but you can also make keyframes for the speed ramping going backwards in time as well. So now I'm going to show you how to do that. So say if you wanted to kind of maybe go backwards, what you can do is add another keyframe. So go to your pen tool, click a keyframe, go back to your selection tool, and the key to making it go backwards is when you drag out this point, what you want to do is hold down Command or Control on a PC and drag forward. And you'll notice that when you drag forward here, you have a backwards modifier and then a forwards modifier. So when you let go, you'll notice when we play this back, I'll just show you, it's going forward in time, then it goes backwards in time, and then forward again. So that's the effect it generates. And similar to going forward in time, what you can do is drag these out to increase the ramp of it going backwards and forwards. Very similar to how you would do it, going forward in time. So there you go, guys. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Here's a video that I think you'd really enjoy up here. Feel free to go watch that. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.